Let's make these delicious buttermilk pancakes using whole wheat flour. My kids love these pancakes. Let's get started. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, I have my little assistant helping. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder, one teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon salt. Mix together. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. Here we share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Now add 4 tablespoons unsalted butter at room temperature and mix together until you have a fine breadcrumbs consistency. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and continue mixing. Add 2 eggs, and 2 cups of buttermilk. Mix, mix, mix until well combined. Finish with some chocolate chips. Now the batter is ready. To a saucepan, grease with some butter and add the pancake mix and cook on each side for around 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat the process until all the batter is made. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. And voila! The pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. This makes the perfect snack, school lunch idea. They are absolutely delicious. And until next time, remain blessed.